Technology and tools for entrepreneurs. Dear entrepreneurs, if you're building a business today, one thing is clear. Technology is your biggest ally. It helps you move faster, make smarter decisions, and reach more people without working 24/7. Let's break it down. Start with the right tools. Every startup needs a basic tech stack. Use a CRM like, for example, Zoho or HubSpot or any advanced CRM to manage your customers. Organize your work with Trello, Notion, or Asana. Use Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 to stay connected. Do online meetings in Zoom or Teams, and mark your calendar on Calendly. Next, automate. You're not supposed to do everything yourself. Automate tasks like email replies, invoices, reminders, and social media posts. Let technology handle the routine so you can focus on strategy and growth. Protect what you build. Cybersecurity is critical. Use strong passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication. Keep backups. Train your team. One small breach can hurt your whole brand. Stay alert. Stay safe. Now look ahead. Explore AI and big data. AI isn't just hype. You can use it to write content, analyze customer behavior, predict demand, and make better decisions. Big data tells you what's working. It saves you time and removes the guesswork. Finally, build your digital identity. A simple website shows you're real and reliable. Add your story, services, contact info. Make it mobile-friendly. Your website is your modern-day storefront, even if you run a physical business. Remember, sales and payment automation will be a great boost for your growth once you know how to do it. Start today. Good luck.